Welcome to Amazing Car, where today we're diving deep into the 2025 Tesla Cybertruck, a vehicle that has redefined the future of electric trucks. From its unique design to its groundbreaking performance, this is one ride that's turning heads across the globe. Let's explore the interior, design, performance, history, and features of the 2025 Cybertruck in detail. Starting with its exterior, the 2025 Cybertruck is unlike any other truck on the market. Its angular, stainless steel exoskeleton makes it look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Tesla's decision to use cold-rolled stainless steel not only gives it a futuristic look but also enhances durability, making it nearly indestructible in everyday conditions. But how does this beast perform? The 2025 Cybertruck comes with multiple powertrain options, with a top-tier tri-motor all-wheel drive variant delivering an exhilarating 500 miles of range and a 0-60 time of just under 2.9 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, an electric truck that's faster than most sports cars. Now let's take a look inside. The interior of the 2025 Cybertruck is minimalist yet functional, featuring a spacious cabin with room for 6 passengers. The centerpiece of the cabin is a massive 17-inch touchscreen that controls almost everything, from climate control to driving modes. The interior is finished in durable materials, designed to withstand wear and tear while maintaining that sleek, modern look. Tesla has also added a host of advanced features like full self-driving capabilities, enhanced autopilot, and a sophisticated AI-powered interface. For those interested in utility, the 2025 Cybertruck doesn't disappoint. It offers an impressive payload capacity, ample towing power, and a built-in ramp for easy loading. In terms of history, the Cybertruck made waves when it was first unveiled back in 2019. Sparking controversy with its unconventional design but quickly gaining a loyal fan base. As we fast forward to 2025, this vehicle is now a symbol of Tesla's innovation and commitment to sustainability. The 2025 Tesla Cybertruck is more than just a truck, it's a statement about the future of electric vehicles and the direction Tesla is heading. Thanks for tuning into Amazing Car. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more detailed car reviews.